Hi, I'm Alexander from René of Paris and Adirondacks. I would like to show you our style, Sassy, from the Orchid range. Sassy is gorgeous. Sassy is a mid-length haircut with a long sideward fringe and shape around the front. So we're now at the back of Sassy. You can see Sassy is that gorgeous mid-length haircut that has a feathered texture towards the ends. Sassy is a heat-friendly synthetic hairstyle. Sassy is a machine-made cap with soft net and has adjustable straps in at the nape area.